So, the post-op dressing, CBC post-procedure, coagulation panel, MEC vent, okay, the vasopressors, IV antibiotic. So, a lot of these were on the list na pinakita ko. And again, some hospitals nakuha nila, some hospitals really failed terribly. Hindi ko maintindihan. Okay? Ito, nagkaroon ng DMCC. Okay? So, then may sepsis, may ARF ka, may severe sepsis, may hyperkalemia, respiratory failure, okay, and metabolic acidosis. Ito, this becomes the MCC also eventually with a mechanical vent, okay? Problem here is the unlinked diagnostic progression. The failure to update, for example, yung ARF to CKD to multi-organ failure, okay? Because of that, the MCC was affected. Incomplete procedure narrative, okay? Missing complication documentation, okay? It also, yung SOAP pati FDAR becomes a problem also, okay? And again, ito yon. Umiikot lang talaga lahat dito, okay? Now, so, ito po i-highlight ko. Sa tagal ko na to, sa clinical claims management, this is what I really recommend to many of my clients and to those who have minimal engagement with me and my team, no? If you train the doctors, maganda ho yung outcome. Okay? But if you train the doctors and you train the nurses, okay, yung outcome ho na maganda is tatagal. Okay. So for DRG, it's important na maturuan yung doktor, maturuan din yung nurses. Lalo na ho sa ER. Sa ER ho, yung doktor dyan, kung hindi ho kayo training, or even if training, marami hong hospital na medyo palpak yung ER. Dahil the doctors or yung mga nagjo-duty, they simply come and go. Wala silang dedication sa hospital kasi third party lang sila dyan eh. So how are you now going to convince them na tutukan yun? Okay? Turuan mo man yan, aalis lang din yan eventually, which is very sad. So what I usually recommend ho is to put in very, very, very good nurses sa ER. Yung mga nurses ho na paminsan mas magaling pa sa doktor na nag-duty, yan ho ang susi sa ER. Kasi kapag magaling yung nurse mo sa ER, lahat ng nakaligtaan ng pasaway na doktor, kayang tubusin nung magaling na nurse. Though hindi ho yan talaga doktor, pero yung 12, yung 20 na procedures, alam na alam ng doktor, ng nurse yan. Kasi sila man ang mag-validate, pati ang iba dyan, sila gumagawa eh.